Good morning everyone. This is our stall on oceanography. Now you might be thinking, what is oceanography? Well, let me explain it to you. The study of physical, chemical and biological processes of the ocean, including its ancient history, its current condition and its future, is known as oceanography. The National Institute of Oceanography, NIO, is one of the 37 constituent laboratories of the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research (CSIR) New Delhi. It is headquartered at Donapaula, Goa and has regional centers at Kochi, Mumbai and Vishakhapatnam. It was established in 1966 following the International Ocean Expedition. Now my friend is going to explain to you why was NIO established.
Hello everyone, NIO's formation was driven by a combination of factors like filling the knowledge gap in the Indian Ocean, understanding marine resources and addressing oceanographical challenges such as the abundance of marine resources like fish.
Now I am going to introduce you to some of the functions of NIO. It is a multidisciplinary oceanographic research institute. The major research areas also include the 4 traditional branches of oceanography such as biological, chemical, geological and physical, as well as ocean engineering, ocean instrumentation and marine archaeology. At present, it also operates 2 research vessels as RV Sindhu Sankalpa 56 meter and RV Sindhu Sadhana 80 meters that are equipped for multidisciplinary oceanographic observations. CSIR and NIO, also known as Council of Scientific and Institute Research, National Institute of Oceanography, serves as an advanced center of education in ocean sciences. It has a School of Oceanography under the Academy of Scientific and Innovative Research, that is ACSIR. Here are some major ongoing research projects, that is Ocean Science towards forecasting Indian marine living resource potential, geological processes in the Indian Ocean and understanding the input fluxes, sinks and paleoceanography, geoscientific investigations for deciphering the Earth's internal processes and exploration of energy resources, Indian aquatic ecosystems, input of deoxidization, eutrophication and acidification, analysis of marine biodiversity for bioremediation of aquaculture and other industrial effluents, impact of natural and anthropogenic stresses on the coastal regions of India, geological and geophysical studies of coastal zones of India, development of autonomous platforms for ocean applications, marine ecological assessments and studies for sustainable development in the coastal and shelf east of along with the west coast of India, ecobiogeography and biotechnology of estuaries and coastal waters of India, coastal processes and tectonics of eastern continental margin of India.
One of the research ships which NIO uses is the RV Sindhu Sankalp. Its length overall is 56.3 meters, its speed is 11.5 knots cruising speed, its range is 20,000 nautical miles and its endurance is up to 30 days. And if we talk about its history, it was originally built in 1989 as a fishing training vessel by the Japanese government. The RV Sindhu Sankalp found its new home with the Indian Council of Marine Research, that is ICMR, in 2008. Being a multidisciplinary research ship, it can accommodate up to 14 scientists and 16 crew members on board comfortably. Some of its latest missions include study of the impact of climatical change on marine ecosystems and explorations of deep-sea hydrothermal vents and their unique life forms.
RV Sindhu Sadhana's overall length is 80 meters. Its breadth is 17.60 meters. The gross tonnage is approximately 4,170 GT. The range is 10,000 nautical miles. Endurance is 45 days, which means it can stay in the sea for 45 days. The complement is 57, including 29 scientists and 28 crew. It is India's first indigenously built vessel, which means it is totally built in India. It costs approximately 2.27 billion rupees. It is made for exploring Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean. Now my friend is going to introduce you to some of the ships that have helped a lot in the past.
RV Gaveshani. RV Gaveshani was NIO's first research vessel acquired in December 1975. It was a commercial ship which was converted into research vessel. It is completely air conditioned so that research can be carried out throughout the year. Sagar Dhwani. It was maintained by Indian Navy and built in Kolkata. It is designed to produce very less noise and low vibration so that acoustic studies could be carried out, and therefore it is named Sagar Dhwani. Sagar Nidhi. It was built in Italy. The vessel is used for launching tsunami monitoring system and for identifying oil and mine gas hydrates. Sagar Sukti. Sagar Sukti served the institute exemplarily during the last decade, that is 2001 to 2011, when NIO was not having any other vessel at its disposal. It shows how the Sagar Sukti acquired the samples and data, and that's how the institute depended on it. Thank you.
Good afternoon, one and all. Today, we would like to talk to you more about careers in oceanography. Oceanography is the study of physical, chemical, and biological features of the ocean, including its ancient history, its current condition, and also its future. In a time when the oceans are greatly threatened by climate change and pollution, the coastlines are eroding, and the entire species of marine life are at the risk of extinction. Hence, the role of oceanographers may be more important now than it has ever been. Some of the typical responsibilities of oceanographers include planning, organizing, and leading the field research, collecting field samples and data, probably at the sea, using equipment such as remote sensors, marine robots, towed or self-powered underwater vehicles, etc., using numerical or computer modeling to simulate ocean phenomena, recording, analyzing, and interpreting the data obtained from samples and remote sensing equipment, using numerical and statistical modeling to make predictions about trends, keeping up to date with scientific and research developments, attending relevant oceanography conferences, training courses, and field trips, writing research papers, reports, and reviews, analyzing the water samples that are taken from the oceans for mineral content and life forms, using only sophisticated equipment and specialist techniques to analyze the samples. Oceanography can involve travel and periods of time away from home to conduct research also. Depending on the subject of specialization and the focus of their job, oceanographers are classified into 4 broad categories. These are physical oceanographers, chemical oceanographers, biological oceanographers, and geological oceanographers. I love the deep sea. It would be so fascinating if I could make a career in it. But are there any career options in oceanography? Let us see. Following are the career opportunities in oceanography. Marine biologists. These professionals may take care of injured and sick sea creatures. Marine technician. Marine technician assists aquatic researcher in repairing and maintaining the electrical components of the ship. Assistant professor in oceanography. They are responsible for designing academic curriculum for students who are currently learning oceanography. Marine researcher. Perform the field work and the laboratory research. Marine chemist studies and tracks the chemical properties and components of a variety of water bodies and living organisms in the oceans. Marine engineer creates, develops, tests, and implements a variety of marine equipment along with apparatus. Ecologist studies the environmental condition and habitats inside the ocean and also the living organisms. Marine geologist studies the movements and the occurrence in the Earth's crust and their impact on the ocean and its inhabitants. Now, how to be an oceanographer? Let's see. You will need to clear your class 12th board exams with physics, chemistry, and biology being the compulsory subjects. After the completion of your board exams, you need to obtain a bachelor's in science or a BSc degree in physics or chemistry or geology or zoology or microbiology or applied sciences, fishery science, botany, etc., or any other related field with at least 50% aggregate. You can also obtain a Bachelor of Technology, that is BTech, or a Bachelor of Engineering (BE) or Associate Member of Institution of Engineers, that is AMIE, in Civil Engineering or Environmental Sciences with at least 60% aggregate. After doing your bachelor's degree course, you can pursue a Master's of Science or a MSc course in Oceanography or Marine Sciences or Marine Biology or Marine Geology or Aquatic Biology for 2 years. After completing your bachelor's degree, you can pursue a Master's of Technology or MTech degree in Ocean Technology and Management or Ocean Engineering. After completing your master's degree, you can pursue a PhD in Oceanography. Many institutes and universities offer such courses to interested students. This is a list of the universities in India offering oceanography courses. You can see them, they are printed on our pamphlet too. Thank you.